In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find reports in Jobber. If you need a clear picture of your numbers, your team's workload, or how your clients are interacting with your business, Jobber's built-in reports can save you time and help you make better decisions. I'll walk you through getting to the reports area and understanding what you can do once you're there. To start, open Jobber and sign into your account so you land on the dashboard. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure your internet connection is stable. If your account has different permission levels, keep in mind that access to certain reports may depend on your role. If you're missing something you expect to see, a quick check with your account admin can usually sort that out. Once you're in, look for the Insights section in the main navigation. Click Insights, then choose Reports. This is the central place where all your reporting lives. You'll see options organized by what you want to understand: financial performance, work in progress and completed jobs, or client information. Think of this page as your control center for pulling data into a format that's easy to review or share. If you're focusing on finances, open the financial reports to review items like revenue trends, outstanding invoices, or payment summaries. This is helpful for checking cash flow, spotting slow-paying accounts, and preparing for bookkeeping. Many of these reports let you adjust the date range so you can compare this month to last month, or look at a custom time period that matches your billing cycle. If you want to monitor operations, head to the Work Reports. Here, you'll typically find details about scheduled and completed jobs, tasks, and team performance. Use filters to narrow down by team member, service, or status, so you can understand where time is going and where you may need to rebalance workloads. Small adjustments based on these insights can add up to big efficiency gains. If your goal is to learn more about your clients, open the Client Reports. These help you see who your top customers are, who hasn't booked recently, and where your repeat business is coming from. It's a great starting point for targeted follow-ups and improving customer retention. As you review any report, look for filter controls, grouping options, and export tools. Filtering ensures you're only seeing the data that matters. Grouping lets you organize results in a way that tells the right story, and exporting to a spreadsheet or PDF makes it easy to share with your team or accountant. That's it. Open Jobber, head to Insights, click Reports, and choose the category that fits your goal. Explore, filter, and export as needed, and you'll have the clarity to act with confidence.